Hey there, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'm going to talk about what to do with your photos. Everybody has family photos that they need to protect, and I'm going to go over, what is the best way to do that. Of course, we previously gone over keychain drives, USB drives. Those look like this, these kind of things right here, and those are great. External hard drives um, are also something that you might want to uh, use. I would generally recommend, as I've said before, a Western digital passport, something like that. But those types of drives, they either can get lost or get stolen, or they can break, or a virus can, if they're connected to your computer while you get a virus, that can also cause a problem with your data. What I would recommend as a redundant form of backup would be to upload your photos to Walgreens. Now, not just Walgreens. There are several other people that have similar situations, but I use Walgreens, and we're going to go over today exactly how to do that. So, first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to Walgreens.com, and then you're going to want to go where it says photo, right? Well, let's see here. Let's go to walgreens.com. And then right up here, it's going to say photo right there. And so you click on photo, and that takes you to their photo section. And then you're going to sign in. I'm already signed in. I already got an account. So you just get an account. It's really easy. You give them your email, username, password, that type of thing. I would make sure that I opted out of receiving deals through my email unless you want that, but I tend to not want the spam. So there you go. Now, once you've signed in, what you do is you take your camera's card out of the camera and you plug it into your computer. Most computers these days have a card reader slot. So that's what I've done. And if I double click right here where it says this PC, then I double click right here where it says USB drive E, then I see three folders here. Now usually your photos are going to be where it says DCIM, and then you just kind of have to pick which one it is. And there we go. So I picked the most recent one. I'm going to right click on the white space. I'm going to mouse over where it says view, and I'm going to say left click on medium icons. And there are my photos. These are photos out of things I put on eBay. And then what you can do once you figured out where your photos are is you just go and you go back to the website, Walgreens photo website, click on upload photos and select my computer. So kind of grinds through this here, and you can name the album. You could name it Family Vacation or anything. You just click in there, and you could name it anything. We're going to call this one Test, and then you can put the date. You can change the date of the album, and then right here, once you get that sorted, you're going to click on Select Photos. And we're going to browse to E since we remember where that is. We're going to double click on DCIM, and then we're going to click here. And if you what you may find useful is if you, even in this dialog box, if you right click right here on the white space and go to view large icons, it'll show you what you're working with so you can pick the right thing. And if your photo is not there, then what you're going to do is you're going to go left click again on the drive E down here, and then double click again on DCIM, and then choose the next one on the list, and then go back right here, right click, mouse over view, and left click on large icons. And then you can see, eventually you'll find the photo that you want to upload. And then you double click on it. Let's just say, for instance, it's that one. So you double click on that photo, wait a few seconds if you got a decent connection, and bang, it's uploaded. Now, if I say done, and then done again, all right, there you go. So now that's what the album is going to look like. And you can either at that point click upload more. You can share the album with other people by emailing them. So let's say I want to upload more photos. I can open that album and I can upload photos to it by clicking that. So let's say I want to upload photos. I click on my computer and then I select photos. And then we're going to right click there, mouse over view, go to large icons. And we're going to say that we want all these photos in this two rows. You can just put your mouse, your cursor on the upper left-hand corner there and drag down until they're all highlighted. And then you can click on open. And if you notice, it's now uploading all of those photos to Walgreens. So you can do one photo, you can do a couple of photos, you can do a ton of photos. I'm not sure what the upper limit is, but I'm sure it's probably pretty high. And if you want to upload like a lot of photos, you can click right here where it says upload more, and I can go to select photos, and let's go back to here, and I can just, if I know that I want that whole bunch of photos right there, let's take a look at them first. If I know that I want every single one of these photos, all I have to do is drag all these photos and click open, and it will move all those photos up to Walgreens. And if you've got a good connection, I think I have about 75 megs down, something like that. It should not take long at all to move them there. And now they're on a completely separate computer from your computer. So if you get a virus or your computer, your hard drive goes south, that has no effect on these photos. They're still going to be on Walgreens server. And if you notice right here, as of November 6th, Walgreens will continue to hold on to these pictures on their server as long as I make one photo purchase every 18 months. So it's really only a few cents per photo. So if you look at it, we're talking about many, many gigabytes of storage for the cost of about a nickel or so every 18 months. Pretty good. It's a pretty good deal. You're not gonna find better than that. So it's moved these photos up right here, and now let's say we want to print some of them. Okay, so we order prints. You click right here where it says order prints. After logging into your account. And then you just pick which ones you want. So we're going to get that one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. So after I choose whichever prints I want, I click add to order. And it shows you all the prints on the left. And then on the right, you can choose exactly what you want. So right now, they're all 4x6s. It's a little bit more than a nickel. It's 33 cents, but that's fine. So it's 33 cents a print. Sometimes you can find deals they'll offer, and you can change this to a 7. So now I'm getting one 4x6 and 7 5x7s of that. You can view larger sizes, and it's really great how they allow you to choose a variety of different sizes, and you can just basically decide whether you want matte or glossy over here, and then you proceed to the cart. And then you can click to include a CD of the photos for $4. And then basically there's where you would apply a coupon. You check out, you put in what Walgreens you want to pick them up at, and then you go pick them up. You only have to make one trip to Walgreens. You got all your photos. You don't have to pay for any prints you don't like. And what's more importantly, for about 33 cents every year and a half, they will hold these photos in their on their servers for you, preventing you from ever losing them. And you can have multiple albums as well. So I hope that this was a helpful video. I hope you guys liked it. If so, please like it and share it. And please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in the Memphis area needs computer repair, please give me a ring, Dave Bensman at Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.